Imagine a creature with the ability to change its color and texture within a blink, gracefully gliding through the ocean's depths. This is the world of the octopus, a marvel of marine life, seen here in its splendid natural habitat. As we delve into the mysterious life of these fascinating creatures, setting the stage for a deep dive into their world, the soothing yet captivating voice of David Attenborough invites you to explore the secrets of one of the ocean's most intelligent inhabitants. Octopuses, these ancient navigators of the sea, have roamed the ocean depths for millions of years. Their evolution has equipped them with extraordinary physiological and behavioral adaptations, enabling survival in the ocean's challenging environment. Each movement, each pulse of their sinuous tentacles tells a story of ancient lineage and survival. As we trace their origins, we uncover a timeline that spans back to a world vastly different from our own today, revealing the resilience and adaptability of these cephalopods. Their journey through time is not just a tale of survival, but a testament to the marvels of natural evolution. In the shadowy depths of the sea where life must ingeniously adapt, the octopus thrives with not one, but 3 hearts. Each heart plays a vital role in oxygenating their blue blood, pumping it efficiently through their unique circulatory system, even in the cold and pressure of the deep sea. This tri-hearted system showcases the octopus's incredible adaptation to its environment. The rhythm of these hearts ensures that the octopus can maintain its energy and dynamism, essential for hunting and evading predators. This extraordinary trait highlights the complexity and the refined evolution of these enigmatic creatures. The linguistic journey of the word octopus is as fascinating as the creature itself. Commonly, people wonder about the correct plural form of octopus. Octopuses, a reflection of the word's Greek roots, not Latin, is widely accepted among scholars. This distinction underscores not only the linguistic history, but also the widespread fascination and curiosity surrounding these creatures. As we explore the different aspects of their being, understanding the correct terminology allows us to appreciate and discuss these marine animals more accurately and respectfully. It is through these small details that our connection with the natural world deepens, bridging gaps between scientific understanding and popular discourse. The intelligence of octopuses challenges preconceived notions held since Aristotle's time, who deemed them as dull creatures. Modern science, however, reveals their remarkable problem-solving abilities and memory skills, which are essential for their survival. Octopuses can navigate mazes, recognize human faces, and even use tools, showcasing a level of intelligence that rivals many terrestrial animals. These revelations invite us to reconsider our understanding of intelligence in the animal kingdom, proving that brain size does not always dictate capability. As we continue to study these incredible beings, they consistently surprise and enlighten us, offering profound insights into the cognitive abilities of non-human species. An octopus's arms are marvels of biological engineering, each capable of independent thought. This means that each limb can react, sense, and manipulate their environment autonomously, without direct input from the central brain. This incredible adaptation allows octopuses to perform multiple tasks simultaneously, enhancing their ability to interact with the complex environments of the ocean. The decentralized nervous system of an octopus is a subject of intense scientific study, offering potential insights into alternative neural architectures and the basis of consciousness. These arms not only represent the physical reach of the octopus but also symbolize the far-reaching implications of their unique form of intelligence. Octopus ink is a well-known defense mechanism, but its function extends beyond mere camouflage. This inky secretion can also confuse predators' sense of smell and taste, providing an additional layer of protection. Moreover, recent studies suggest that octopus ink contains substances that can numb a predator's senses, allowing the octopus crucial seconds to escape. The composition of this ink, a complex cocktail of chemicals, reflects the octopus's evolutionary ingenuity and sophistication in survival strategies. As we delve deeper into the components and effects of this remarkable defense mechanism, we uncover yet another layer of the intricate lives of these cephalopods. The peculiar blue blood of octopuses is another testament to their evolutionary adaptability. Hemocyanin, which gives their blood its distinctive color, is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold and low-oxygen environments than the hemoglobin in red-blooded animals. This adaptation is crucial for an animal living in varying and often harsh underwater environments. The blue blood of an octopus not only serves a vital biological function, but also highlights the diverse solutions nature has found to common problems of survival and adaptation. As we explore this unique characteristic, we gain deeper insights into how life can thrive under conditions that might seem inhospitable. Throughout history, the octopus has inspired not only scientific curiosity, but also cultural fascination. In various cultures, these creatures have been seen as symbols of flexibility and mystery, and even as erotic muses. This cultural portrayal is evident in art, literature, and mythology, where the octopus appears as a creature of beauty and intrigue. The adaptability and fluidity of octopuses resonate with human creativity, making them a potent symbol for transformation and the unknown. As we delve into the cultural significance of octopuses, we uncover a rich tapestry of meanings and interpretations that enrich our understanding of these complex creatures. The life cycle of an octopus brings with it a poignant reality. After mating, the end is near. Female octopuses lay thousands of eggs and then enter a phase of senescence, dedicating the remainder of their lives to guarding their progeny. This self-sacrifice ensures the next generation has a fighting chance to survive in the competitive oceanic world. Males, too, die shortly after mating. This cycle of birth and death, so starkly defined, highlights the harsh realities of nature and the instinctual drive to perpetuate the species. It's a powerful reminder of the strength and fragility of life within the marine ecosystem. The culinary journey of the octopus spans continents, with most of the octopus consumed globally sourced from the waters of North and West Africa. This not only highlights the global demand for this delicacy, but also raises questions about sustainability and ecological impact. As we savor the unique flavors of octopus dishes from around the world, we must also consider the fishing practices that bring these creatures to our tables. Sustainable seafood consumption is essential to ensuring that the octopus and other marine species remain part of our world's natural heritage and not just a footnote in culinary history. Our journey through the mysterious and complex world of octopuses has unveiled not just their biological and ecological facets, but also their profound impact on human culture and cognition. This quick montage revisits the astonishing facts we've explored, from their three hearts to their role as erotic muses. As the immersive soundtrack fades out, remember, the ocean holds many more secrets waiting to be discovered. Dive deeper into the mysteries of the ocean with more incredible stories. Together, let's continue to explore and cherish these marvels of the marine world.